And I fold clothes
What are you doing? Go over there.
table, which is
What are you doing?
weird.
What are you doing? Huh?
I really prefer to have a separate laundry room.
Sophia, what are you doing, baby girl?
Go ahead, go play.
Huh?
One big thing that was very important was the fenced in yard. But young, he needs at least a tall fence so
What are you
we
doing?
can jump over the fence so we can leave him out and be happy about that.
No.
We need at least 2 bedrooms.
It'd be nice to have a space that I could have like an office in.
What is that? What are you doing?
We want a house that maybe is a
Huh?
older
Miss
house,
Talented
a
Woman?
little bit more of a modern feel. We like the character of
Oh, what do you think you're doing over there, huh, Miss Talented Woman?
Our budget is
He's still going, huh? He's still going.
we are
Oh, now you want to stand up on the couch and do it, huh?
on the east side of Atlanta, and we like it because
Really?
it has a real
Really?
neighborhood feel, but it's also really near downtown Atlanta.
You're crazy. What you doing?
I fall in love with houses a little more quickly than Andy.
No.
does, and
Go.
Andy
Go on.
is
Go by your mama.
than I am.
If I walk into a
Go
house
ahead.
and I see there's not enough room for the stuff that we have already, I'm kind of like, well, what's the point of doing the rest of it? So,
That's gaudy. I think I'm definitely more emotional and Andy's a little more controllable. But
Bye-bye.
we really